Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can increase your Cash App limits. So let's get right into it. Now, the limits that you have on Cash App are regarding receiving and sending money, and the limits for a new user are $1,000 within any 30-day period, and for sending, I'm pretty sure it's $250 per a 7-day period. So you're capped at that. So pretty much 1,000 for 4 weeks or $250 per week. And you can very easily extend these if you verify your identity using your full name, date of birth, and your social security number, and then you'll have higher limits. Now, if they're unable to verify that information, they'll be asking you to provide additional information, such as possibly your full social security number, and so on and so forth, and they're unable to verify anybody under the age of 18, and if you're under 18, you will need to be sponsored by somebody who is of age, and you will need to be 13 plus. Now, to locate the limits in the app, you just need to tap the profile icon in the top right, tap limits from the account and settings section, and you can also view the limits by scanning the QR code. However, you can also go to your account section and go into account and settings and verify your identity from there, which again will allow you to extend these limits, and that should be pretty much it. Now, if you're thinking of overdraft or overdraft limits, they will increase if you are regular with your payments, and you do need to have at least $300 per month in direct deposit if you want to use the overdraft, so keep that in mind. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Now, I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys myself how to do this because I don't have Cash App in my region, but I hope you guys understood everything from this tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.